All right, so back with another recap. You guys probably like, damn, that was a good trade. Yes, this was a trade I was looking for after, but I lost today. Took two losses. Price was just chopping around during the macro, and I was looking for a tap into this 15-minute gap with this liquidity line under. Tapped into OTE the range. Excuse me. Tapped into OTE the range. I was expecting a reversal, and I ended up taking this long. I don't know why it's not up there already, but yeah, I ended up taking this long. As you can see, break even was at the 15-minute fair value gap, and I was targeting targeting this high. Ended up getting stopped out. Then where I went wrong, I entered again. We came down, swept this low. We came down, swept this low. And then we started to rally to the upside, right? And we had this fair value gap, this little unicorn model. And I ended up taking another entry right here at this fair value gap, stop at this low. And since we were wicking this order block, we were wicking. It looked like we were going to respect it. And after that, I entered and I got cooked. So, and the tough thing is after we swept these lows, we ended up rallying to the upside. One thing I could have said is it was my model, right? But the one thing is that I should have waited maybe for a 5-minute CISD or confirmation that we wanted to go higher. We had an 11 a.m. reversal. So after the 1 hour opened, it swept these lows, and this was like the accumulation phase, manipulation, and then we had the rally to the upside. The first entry wasn't too bad. The second was I should have not took that. Waited a little bit for 11 o'clock to open before looking for entry, and then I probably would have caught this move. So this learning lesson is annoying because, bro, I've been on this good losing streak now. I think 4 trades in a row. So yeah, this month has not been going good, especially after passing the eval. But I'm just continuing to execute my edge. This is it's not like a guaranteed mechanical strategy. Like, you still have to have market experience, understand when and when not to take a trade. And there wasn't. I should have waited for more momentum here. But and it's weird. Like, all the expansions we've been having, bro, we've been just rallying. Like, it's nice, right? So, so just a learning lesson. We tapped into this 15 as well. So, and also this 4-hour order block right here. So we had the CISD that we tapped into in 1 hour. So I see it now, and that was clean. I didn't think we would come that low before expanding, but we did. And it's super clean. But I wouldn't have an entry if I'd probably have entered on this and put my stop at this breaker for a 3-1 right here. So that probably would have been my trade if I took this. Didn't catch it though. It's just all good. But yeah, that's about it. Draw liquidity. Let me show you. It was this previous week high. That's what I was expecting, and we went and touched the standard deviation, so it makes sense. But yeah, it was previous week high. It was pretty obvious. So yeah, just draw liquidity again on point. It's just now making sure my execution is right and being patient and waiting for the clear setup to occur. Waiting for the right setup to occur. Let me see if on the 2-minute we had like a clean inverse. No, we didn't. Yeah. Yeah, we didn't have a clean inverse, bro. Hold on. Okay, there. On the 3-minute, that was pretty clean. Yeah. We had a clean CISD on the 3-minute, but don't really look at the 3-minute like that. But that would have been a clean trade instead. So yeah, that could have had that. So I guess I could just look around more. I think on so not too mad at it, bro. It was still my model. Again, draw liquidity was right, just wrong timing. If I just make these quick adjustments, maybe like wait for a macro now. That's what it seems like most times. macros when trade is moving. But I stopped doing that because a lot of times there would be moves that wouldn't happen during the macro and I would miss them. But just making these adjustments. Hey, if this is occurring a lot and I'm seeing it, just wait for the macro. But yeah, so I'll probably do so, make some adjustments and go from there. But that's about it. Good luck. You guys have it's one more day, right? It's Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So one more day for the week. And this was on a new eval because I blew my other one at 50K. It was 4 trades. Just couldn't get a win. So it's a little bit of a losing streak right now. Well, not a little bit. It's clearly a losing streak right now. But that just means I'm closer to another win. So I'm just going to make these small adjustments, continue to get better. Draw liquidity has got better. Now just working on my entry and not, taking these choppy trades and taking clear trades like this and waiting for the macro. So, yeah, that's about it. You guys take it easy, and I'll see you guys on the next market recap.